Yo, how's it going, guys? My name is Ratan. Welcome back to my channel. So today what's happening is I'm actually delivering the lights of my Thar to the MM550, which is in the garage right now. So here, I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, we are going there and I'm gonna change the lights because the MM550 lights have stopped working. So I'm gonna get the Thar lights done on it, and I got some brand new lights for the Thar. So the old lights go right to the MM550. Hello there, cow. Please move. Thank you. Let's see what happens, shall we? Alright, so these are my brand new headlights. It comes with indicators as well as DRLs. It's got a good throw too, It's better than my previous headlights. I can see a bit further than before now. And yeah, I just stopped by to show you the lights, so let's get going. People ask me, how does it feel to drive a Thar, like, is it any different from a regular car? I say it is a bit different because the steering's a bit hard. Not that hard, you can see me, it's not that hard. It's a good car, but you have to worry about the mileage all the time, because as of now I'm getting around 10 to 12. That's if I maintain this speed over here. But if I do throttle it out, I am gonna get like 5 to 6 or something. And forget if I'm off-roading, because while off-roading I have to engage the 4-wheel drive gear, so I'll barely get anything that time. Okay, now it's clear. Oh, this bus guy. Okay, yeah, so people ask me how much does it cost to maintain an off-roader, like a Thar or something. Every 10,000 kilometers you have to keep it for service, just like a regular car, and it'll come up to 10,000 or something. Every 20,000 kilometers you have to change your engine oil, and there's some kind of major service every 20,000. Yeah, I'll come up to 10 to 15k. Do note that if you do have damage repairs, service, like part replacement, it's gonna cost you. Last time I think my AC condenser got screwed, so I had to replace that. I sourced the part from automobile shop in Karkala, Mangalore. It's Mahindra's outlet itself. I got it for around 7k or something, I'm not sure. AC condenser. And I got it fixed in Ashwin's garage, Pumpwell. He's a good chap, he gets everything done. Just expect a bill of 10 to 15k every service, Depends on how much you drive. I usually daily drive my Thar. One more thing what people have asked is, when you are going in the city or anything, do you have troubles with cops? The only thing the cops in Mangalore trouble you is because of tint, you see. I've got pretty dark tint. I got I think 30% in the here on the side, and in the back I got up to 0%. That means zero visibility. Here it's 30% visibility from the outside. And I'll show you the garage. It's a really good place if you're anywhere near Karkala. Good place to get your old Jeep done. Only problem is sourcing the parts. I think the garage guy sources it from Mangalore. He relies on bus and all that, for transportation. So the last time I went during lockdown, I went to Mangalore and I got the parts for him. So right now we got there was some kind of gear shifting issue on the MM550. So I had to change the gears. The gears were all damaged and stuff. I changed it all out. I mean, he changed it out, obviously. So I'm really hoping the gear shifting is more smoother now. I'm actually planning to sell the MM550. If anyone's interested, please drop a comment or something or get in touch with me. I'll even drop my email just in case anyone's interested to mail me. But yeah, put the indicators, and here's the exit. I just saw the MM550. Oh, it's in the front. And there it is, my MM550. This garage is over here, right next to the petrol bunk over there. So this is my Jeep over here. Turn off the... Yep, let's go talk to him, and I'll hand him over my lights. It's over here in the back. Just handed him the headlights, so went back in to place it. I'm gonna do a reverse over here. He said I'll get the vehicle by tomorrow, so the review will be up soon. Very, very, very soon. I didn't get an umbrella, so I couldn't get down to, talk that much. He just came and collected it. Okay, let's go. So this was a short drive. This is kind of my first vlog, so I thought, just to set up everything, I'm gonna get in some new gear, to mount my phone properly. So this is basically just like an introductory vlog. If there's anything you would like to see in my vlogs, like anything I can improve, please drop a comment and I will try to improve my best. If there's anything you would like me to talk about or anything, just let me know. I'll try to help you out. So this is my lane. The roads in the highway were really good, but these roads are nothing compared to that. For these roads, you do feel like you need a big SUV. In the video, I actually forgot to mention one thing. So I put a switch under here, which turns on the camera over there. So this is my trail cam, which I use while off-roading. This trail cam actually helps me during off-road because I can't see anything in the front. So this actually helps a lot. Thing what I have done is, I don't know, it's gonna be hard to explain to people who are just beginners, but if my car is like this, wait a second. So yeah, if my vehicle comes like this in stock, like completely in a straight this thing, what I've done is I've lifted the front part a bit, so that gives it like this stance, make it look bigger from the front. So because of that, I'm actually facing drag issues, air drag issues, and can't see much on the bottom. Although you do have a good commanding position up here, but you can't see anything down below there. So that's why the cam. So I'm going to my house. We're almost there. This is a short vlog, okay? It doesn't have any purpose. The only purpose of this vlog is to deliver my headlights, and that's about it. So this is just like, like I'm setting up everything. I want to know how it looks like, I want to see if I'm actually, I don't know if I'm good at vlogging. I'm gonna try. And I know people have asked me to show my face. We'll see about that later. But as of now, I'm just gonna provide you my Thar content. And yeah, this is my house over here. This is Dad's house. He's done a lot of work to this house. And yeah, I reached home. Okay, there's another exit. This is my main entrance. This is my side entrance. See, you need a what is that? Cam. See, now you can't see anything, but you got the cam. Kind of. So this is my side entrance. I usually park my Jeep over here. Oof, need to cut off these things. Look at that. Oh my god. Alright, I think I have to unlock the gate myself. Nobody's over here. I'll just go and do that. Open the gate. Oh boy, this is a tight squeeze. This is my garage. Only for my custom vehicles. As of now, it's just a 2-car garage. Maybe in future I might expand it if everything goes well. Turn off my cam. Turn off this. Turn off the AC. And we are done. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll try to do a better vlog next time. But as of now, this is just a small vlog. Let me know what you think. If there's anything I can set up, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.